All right, so today we're taking a look at the Jlab Go Air Sport True Wireless Earbuds. So these are a pair of earbuds designed for the gym. They have the ear hook design for a secure fit. They're water resistant, they sound great, and they're only 30 bucks. So one thing that Jlab does extremely well is come out with affordable options that give you exactly what you need. So between active noise cancellation, transparency mode, in-ear detection, app support, there's a lot of features that some people just don't care about. Sometimes you just need a pair of earbuds that's going to do what they're supposed to do without breaking the bank. So that's where a pair like the Go Air Sport comes in. So here we have the charging case, as you can see, a little bit bigger than your average case, which is expected for a pair of gym earbuds. So the case has a matte finish all the way around, and then on the bottom is where you have your built-in charging cable. You also have a spot to attach a lanyard to make it easier to keep up with the case. And you do have an LED indicator on the front of the case to help you gauge your battery life. Despite the budget-friendly price tag, you are getting some solid build quality. So the lid is nice and sturdy, and you're also getting some strong magnets to help keep the earbuds in place and make sure that they're charging properly. Moving over to the earbuds, again, you have that ear hook design, which is going to give you a very secure fit. These are also using touch controls, and they do give you control over everything. So you're getting all of your playback controls, including volume. So it's nice that you don't have to reach for your phone to make any adjustments to your music. So the earbuds are running Bluetooth 5.1. They do support independent use, so you can use either the left or the right earbud while the other remains inside of the case. As far as audio codecs, you have SBC as well as AAC. Now, when it comes to battery life, you're looking at roughly 8 hours on a single charge, and then with the charging case, that extends to a total of 32 hours. You also have an IP55 dust and water resistant rating, so sweat, water, none of that is going to affect the earbuds. Just make sure you don't try to completely submerge them in water. Now let's go ahead and talk about the fit. So sometimes if you struggle with earbuds staying in your ear, the ear hook design is the only way to go. That, along with the right size ear tips, is going to go a long way, especially when you talk about exercising. So for me, a lot of earbuds are hit or miss in terms of the fit, but these stay in place extremely well, and the earwing just gives you that peace of mind that they're not going to fall out. Now let's go ahead and talk about this sound. So one thing that Jlab is known for is giving you 3 different built-in EQ settings. So you have balanced, you have Jlab signature, as well as bass boost. And to change the EQ, all you have to do is tap either earbud 3 times. So the balance setting is pretty straightforward. Gives you more of a flat type of sound where everything is even across the board. The Jlab signature setting gives you more of a V-shaped type of sound with some nice punchy bass and really clean detailed treble. And then the bass boost is exactly that. It really bumps up that low end to give you a more lively type of sound. So for me, the Jlab signature and the bass boost are the only 2 settings that I really use. I think for an environment like the gym, those 2 settings are great. They give you a very fun, energetic type of sound. And on top of that, you are getting plenty of volume. So when it comes to sound quality, these definitely have you covered, especially once you consider the price. So for phone calls, these are using what they call C3 calling technology, which basically means that each earbud has 2 microphones. One of those microphones is designed to cancel out background noise, and the other is designed to pick up on your voice. So let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you guys an example. All right, so this is a microphone test of the Jlab Go Air Sport. Right now we have quiet conditions. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Now let's see how they sound once we add some background noise. All right, so now we got some crowd noise being played on the speaker. So this should give you an idea as to how you would sound if you choose to take calls in a more noisy environment. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. So overall, like I said in the intro, if you're looking for a pair of affordable earbuds that do what they're supposed to do, great fit, great sound, great build quality, the Jlab Go Air Sport are an excellent option. So if you're interested in grabbing a pair, make sure you check out the links down in the description. It does help support the channel anytime you make purchases using those links, and it's at no extra cost to you. So if you found this video to be helpful, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel. And you can follow me on social media at CEO in the Making to stay up to date on all my latest content. So I appreciate you guys watching this video as well as all the others. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.